I'm Dr. Malapuri Velda, going to discuss the topic evaluation of two drugs as per WHO guidelines for the assessment of novel drugs. Contents, definition, methods of drug evaluation, organoleptic evaluation, microscopic evaluation, physicochemical parameters, chemical evaluation, and biological evaluation. What is evaluation? Drug evaluation is defined as the determination of identity, purity, and quality of a proved drug. Identity denotes the biological source of drugs. Purity denotes the extent of foreign material present. And quality denotes the quantity of active constituents present. Methods of drug evaluation: organoleptic evaluation, microscopic evaluation, physical evaluation, chemical evaluation, and biological evaluation. Organoleptic evaluation. It is the evaluation carried with the help of sensory organs. It refers to visual examination of morphological characters and examination of sensory characters like color, odor, taste, and texture. Morphological characters. It is the examination of visual appearance which is possible when the drug is available as entire plant or as parts of plants like leaves, roots, and barks, etc. When ephedra is available as entire plant, we can easily identify them. As in case of senna, it can be identified as leaves. In Rauwolfia, it can be identified as roots, and in cinchona as barks. Sensory characters. It is the evaluation carried with the help of sensory organs. Color. Leaves has to be shade dried to maintain green color, and if over dried, it becomes pale and bleached. Smell. Aromatic drugs have characteristic smell which helps in easy identification of the proved drugs. For example, clove and exhausted clove can be distinguished by odor. Taste. Drugs can be also evaluated by different tastes. For example, honey will be sweet in taste, gentian will be bitter in taste, ginger is pungent in taste, and texture of the proved drugs, that is, when the drug is split open and the exposed surface is seen, it is called as the texture. And texture also helps in examining the drugs. For example, colocin can be easily compressed due to its loose parenchyma. And different drugs have different fractures. For example, in licorice it is fibrous. The exposed surface will be having fibrous fracture. For Nux vomica, it is horny, and for nutmeg, it is oily in nature. Microscopic evaluation. Drugs in broken state or in broken form can be evaluated by microscopic characters. They are classified as follows: histological examination, microscopic linear measurements, and quantitative microscopy. Histological examination. It involves the arrangement of cells and tissues. For example, in case of leaves, we can identify the presence of stomata and trichomes. In barks, we can identify the presence of phloem elements. In woods, xylem elements can be identified. In seeds, alluron grains can be identified. Microscopic linear measurements. It involves the measurement of size of diameter of starch grains, length and width of the phloem fibers. We can measure the diameter of the starch grains and we can compare them with that of the standard values. Similar in the case, the length and width of the phloem fibers can be also compared with that of the standard values. Quantitative microscopy. It involves the determination of microscopic constant such as leafy drugs like Vein islet number, palisade ratio, and stomatal index. The average number of vein islets present per square millimeter of a leaf surface is called as the vein islet number. It is determined by counting the number of vein islets in an area of 4 square millimeter. Palisade ratio is defined as the average number of palisade cells beneath one epidermal cell. Dividing the count by 4 is the palisade ratio. Stomatal index. The stomatal index is the percentage of the number of stomata found by the total number of the epidermal cells, including the stomata, each stoma being counted as one cell. And physical evaluation. It involves the determination of physical constants. Swelling factor for mucilage containing drugs. Viscosity can be determined for various types of gums. Froth numbers, like in Kulaya, the sapponins can be determined. Refractive index can be fixed for volatile oils and fixed oils with the help of polarimeters. optical rotation in case of sugars containing drugs, RF value for thin layer chromatography. Apart from all these things, specific gravity, density, melting point, boiling point, ash values, extractive values can be also considered as the physical evaluation of the crude drugs. Even modern techniques like gas chromatography, high pressure liquid chromatography, high pressure thin layer chromatography, and various type of spectroscopical methods are also used for thin layer chromatography. Chemical evaluation. Determination of active constants of drugs by chemical methods is called as chemical evaluation. It can be divided into 4 types. First one is the instrumental methods. Calorimetry. By calorimetry method, solanaceous alkaloids can be determined. By fluorimetry, quinine, and by spectrophotometry, strychnine can be determined. Chemical constants, acid value, iodine value, and ester value for oils and fats can be determined by means of chemical constants. When oil gets rancid, it will be showing a different value, and it can be compared with that of the standard, and easily adulterated drugs can be detected. Individual chemical test. Iodine test for starch, halfine test for cottonseed oil, and copper acetate test for colophony can be used as individual chemical test. Apart from this, for alkaloids, there are thiophenol test. For ergot alkaloids, that is Mannix test, and number of tests are there which we can easily identify the presence of primary metabolites and secondary metabolites, and that way we can determine whether the drug is adulterated or not. Microchemical test. Microchemical tests are specially carried on slides. For example, in case of clove, when clove oil is added with the potassium hydroxide, it forms potassium eugenate, and it will be deposited in the slides, which can be easily identified with the help of the microscope. Last is the biological evaluation. In this method, response produced by test drug on a living system is compared with that of the standard. The following are the living system used for biological evaluation. Intact animals, especially Curare by head drop method is determined in rabbits. Isolated tissues, adrenaline is isolated and action is seen in rat uterus. Microorganisms, penicillin on growth of Bacillus subtilis. So, conclusion, all the evaluation parameters are done to standardize the crude drugs. Thank you.